Hey guys, welcome back. So my last vlog that I posted like 2 days ago, I didn't introduce myself because I don't know, when I do vlogs I don't really introduce myself. It's like weird. I just feel like if I'm gonna vlog, I'm just gonna randomly start filming, and then yeah, you know, I'm just gonna go about my day, do what I normally do, and just casually be recording. But from now on, honestly, I'm gonna try to really start introducing myself, because I feel like it's annoying, because I know not everybody watching my videos is gonna know who I am or whatever, etc., or what day it is, or you know, like people like a proper introduction, you know. Today I'm gonna do like this golden glam to match my top. By the way, it's from Charlotte Russe. I love it. And this necklace, I bought it from Charlotte Russe as well, I believe. Yes. So yeah, proper introduction now. Hi everyone, my name is Melissa. This is my YouTube channel where I'm gonna be posting fashion videos, makeup videos, vlogs, who knows, you know, just things that come to my mind that I am interested in filming. Oh, that was not bright enough. Okay, I think that's good. Alright, I think that's good. So yeah, that's what's gonna be happening here. But hope you guys enjoy this video. Let me know if you like this video, if you like this makeup look, if you're gonna try it out, anything at all you want to let me know, any products you think I should try out, you know, anything like that. But if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel down below. You know where it is, you know. But yeah, so yeah, today that's the makeup look I'm gonna be doing, so let's begin. So right here, my skin was a little dry, so I decided to add a little more concealer, and then I decided to add the Benign Loose Powder. This is the final result. Honestly, I am in love. Like, came out way better than the first time I did it, and of course the first time I didn't have eyeliner on, so 10 times better, even 20 times. If you guys enjoyed how it came out, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you didn't already earlier. And I'll see you guys next time. Hope you enjoy. Bye.